My name is John Valia. I'm a construction technician here at Modern Equipment. I've been with the company about 15 years. Ever since a young age, I've just been obsessed with taking things apart and fixing it and tinkering with things. I work on a broad range of equipment, from aerial lifts to rough terrain forklifts, all the way down to arborist equipment, including stump grinders, chippers. Usually everything's dispatched through mobile frame. It gives me access to the customer's equipment history and everything that's been done, what type of equipment they have. It allows me to email the customer their invoices, and lets the branches talk between managers and technicians and branch to branch to kind of streamline the whole process, makes it easier for everyone. The night before, I'm dispatching my calls, and I get up, get in the van, travel from site to site. I'm responsible for a government research facility. They have multiple amounts of equipment in their fleet, and I'm solely responsible for keeping that up and running on a day-to-day basis for them. I'd like to finish my business degree, and with the help of Modern's tuition reimbursement program, one day that's going to be a reality. And after that's completed, I hope to take another exciting, challenging role with the company. With an employee-owned company, you're not really out there working for one or two owners or shareholders. You're working for yourself, and the harder you work for your stock, the harder the stock's going to work for you at the end of the day. So you really get out of it what you put into it. Every day it's a new challenge. You're going to work on something new every day. It's exciting. It puts you in different places. If you're on the road or if you're in the shop, everything's a little bit different. And if you have the will and the desire to learn, Modern will definitely equip you with the tools and the knowledge needed to do so.